It went from being a very nice day to like very chilly and kind of rainy. But Dan requested a Coke while I was live streaming. So naturally I stopped what I was doing to bring the man a Coke.
Yo.
Yo, 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 yo. A Coke for the good sir. Hey, if we know anybody that either works for Coke, knows someone that works for Coke, and is like looking for people to drink their product all the time, we're those people.
We do Coke.
We do Coke. That should be their next campaign. Oh, I see.
Brake flaring.
What does that mean?
Cutting brake lines and flaring the ends so they fit.
Is that where I get to use that fun tool?
The blue one?
Yeah. It's not this one, is it?
Yep.
Is this the fun tool I like? Maybe that's the fun tool I like. Where you stick it in and you...
Fun tool you like.
You're my favorite tool.
Yep, this line is ready to come out and you can flare it.
Activities.
Ooh.
I love good activities. That looks pretty good in there.
The motor?
Yeah.
Or the engine? Whatever it is.
I truly enjoy how nobody can still really define the difference between a motor and an engine.
Oh, you just opened up the shit show in the comments there.
That is my favorite thing to do. What are you doing? You tangling?
Trimming this to fit,
Ah.
and you can put an end on it.
Nice. And I helped.
Are you gonna work this thing?
Yes, I am. Is it worth it? Let me work it. Okay, how do I do it again?
I'll just get set up in the machine. And you can do your thing.
Yeah.
Now, the number one thing you can't forget,
Oh no.
which I've done, so I'm going to do it, make sure you put the fitting on first.
Fitting on first.
If you don't, you put it all together and then go.
Oh, then how do you get it on?
That's right.
Right. Yes.
Yes.
That makes sense.
Yeah, no matter, even though you know in your head.
Well, you gotta make like a song about it. Put the fitting on first, otherwise it'll suck. See, now you'll remember.
Maybe.
Well, because you'll be like, oh, what was that annoying thing Danielle did?
Well, that won't narrow it down.
Thank you.
Okay. So we'll get a tutorial and you can do all the work and I'll hold the camera.
Yeah.
First you want to use this one.
Yeah.
You put it in a little machine. Right?
Okay.
You see how there's a hole in the tube?
Yes.
So you'll spin it in until it goes gingerly.
It's gentle, right? Because you
In
don't
the
want to...
center.
Yeah.
Then once you kind of get in there, you turn the knob and you squeeze the handle.
Turn the knob all the way?
Yep.
Okay.
All of it.
All of it. Okay. This is much heavier than I thought it was going to be. What thing do I spin?
Nope, don't touch any of that.
Oh.
So grab that like that. Now spin the blue thing righty-tighty.
Is the blue thing the technical term?
Yep, that's what's in the instructions. So you're looking at the little tip there?
Yeah.
How it's going in the hole, yeah?
Yeah, but it's not all the way in.
Yep.
Is that good enough?
Yeah, keep going. Feels like it's in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn the knob to the right.
This is a family show, right? Okay, and then to squeeze?
Yep. Keep going. Give her a few.
Oh.
Should get tight. Keep going.
This takes a lot of strength.
Okay, hang on. You don't want to go too crazy. What's it like? Okay. Now loosen that. Yep, there you go. That's good. Now unthread that. Other way. Keep going, keep going. You're pretty slow.
This is very awkward.
Yeah, we could have put in the vise, but it wouldn't be as fun. Okay,
For actual?
take this piece out.
Is that how most people would have done it?
It doesn't matter.
How do I take this out?
Push it from the back.
Ah.
Now exchange it for this one.
Ooh. An exchanging piece. I didn't realize this was a two-parter.
Same thing, twist it up so it's centered in the hole. Keep her going. Okay, so keep going, keep going, keep going. Is it touching?
I can't turn it anymore, so yeah.
Okay, you're probably fine. Twist this to the right. Give her a few pumps. Oh yeah, that's good. Unthread it. Unthread it.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Good.
Okay.
Now you can loosen this.
Oop. Oh god.
Yeah, the whole thing will come out. You can put the tool on the bench. Oh, oh.
I got it.
Look at that. Focus.
Did I do a good
Oh, your
job?
thing is terrible. Well, it's out of focus, so it looks great. But, yeah, that's good. Why won't it focus? Your Huawei. Where's the camera? Oh, there we go.
Did you find it?
Look at that. That's a nice fitting right there.
Thank you.
So now, feed this thing in.
Can I do it? Or is it very messy and I don't want to?
Not messy, it's awkward.
Can I even reach? That's the real question. I feel like the answer is no, I cannot reach.
That piss poor attitude.
If you believe, you can achieve.
You don't believe.
I do believe. Okay, what do I need to do?
Well, not much, I think we're basically done.
Oh.
Just gotta thread it in the bottom of the black. Little tweet in here.
Demon. Oh no, I knocked something over.
Yep.
What was it? Uh-oh, was it important? I don't know which of these things on the ground it was. Wow, it's really clean in here, hey?
I'm trying.
Wow, babe.
Everyone's bitching. Clean the garage.
Well, would they rather have you clean it or work in it?
I think they'd rather whatever I'm doing.
The opposite?
That's right.
Hey, how come this isn't an LS engine? Well, it's looking pretty good in here, babe.
There we go. Plumbed.
I did it! All of my hard work.
That's right.
Without me, it couldn't have happened.
Yeah, you're really giving her there.
I basically built this whole thing myself.
Feels like it.
Alrighty. Well, I'll stop annoying you now.
I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Mm-hmm.
Is that seriously how you make a coil? Is that easy?
That's how I'm making a coil. Everybody lost their minds on the 56. I didn't coil the brake lines.
Are you supposed to coil a brake line?
Yeah. They all think you should. I'm not a big believer in it. I didn't coil the 55 or the Nova or...
To coil or not to coil?
Don't ask them, they'll tell you gotta coil it.
That is the question. Well, I've already asked them. So, I've asked them a lot of things. I'm gonna get a lot of answers.
Comment section's just gonna be...
YouTube's gonna be like, what is happening on this person's video? It's usually not like this. Okay, so I turn it this way.
Yes. Doesn't really matter what we turn it.
And I keep tightening it?
That's right.
That's right. This is tedious.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
That's good. What? How'd you do that?
Well, I said uh-oh.
Perfect.
Nailed it.
Test fit this thing.
See? No uh-oh. Did you put the thing on?
What thing?
The thing for the song. But don't forget to put it on. I don't remember how the jingle went.
Yep.
Okay. See, the jingle came in handy.
I never make mistakes.
Uh-huh.
At least on a camera, you can just edit it out.
True.
You want to load this up?
Yeah. How?
So put it in. So now what you want to do, see what sticks out, use this as the guide. So
And
you
that's how you know
you gotta
how
pull it
tight
back.
it is.
pull it back. Now push it forward as much as you can. Yep. Yeah, not like crazy.
Well, you
Just-
said as much as I could.
okay, yeah, that's good. Now just tighten that. You just want that in line with the
Gotcha.
box. This one's a different size.
So, you have to do this first because it makes it wider?
It's a double flare.
A double flare.
So that's the first.
Yeah, so that's good enough?
That's it, yeah?
I think.
Twist it till it goes in nice.
I think it's a nice.
Okay, and turn the knob. Give her a few pumps.
Should it, like, get harder?
Mm-hmm. Harder the better.
Don't do it. So, even harder? Tougher? More difficult? We need a better word for it, because I'm just too immature.
Spin it out.
This way?
Yep.
Nurse, I need more tools.
Spin it.
It's like a bop it, but not.
All
You know?
do is spin.
Yeah. And sometimes you pass it. Oh, too much?
Doesn't matter. Turn the thing. The knob. Squeeze it.
It does take a fair amount. Oh, I'm doing it with my left hand. It's the weakest one.
Well, you're also not, like, I don't know what you're trying to do there, but you just, like, hold it like this.
I can't hold it with one
That was
hand.
actually pretty tight. You had it.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Is there more to flare?
Yeah, the other side.
Oh, fun.
You do that on your own.
Yeah.
Cool.
Uh-oh.
When it's done. Don't mess it up.
I can guarantee I might. Okay. Okay, it's got the thingy on it. How does this go in? Wait, like this? This way? This way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh. Oh boy. Okay. And then I do this. Oh boy. I don't have enough hands. The coil is really throwing me off here. Oh, there we go. Okay. I got it. I figured it out. Okay.
Push that all the way back. Yep, there you go.
Make it tight. Push that. Yeah, okay. Okay. I did it.
That's a little.
Good?
It's good to me.
Ooh. Okay, now I use the flat one first.
Yep.
And twist until it's in. And then open.
Close. No. Close it.
Close. And bump. Until it becomes difficult.
Once you get this figured out, we can start building stills.
What's a still?
What?
I don't know why you're shocked. I don't know what that is. Seriously though, what's a still?
We're making alcohol.
Oh.
Moonshine.
Oh. Well then, yeah. I'm in. Okay. I do like that I'm doing this in like the bougiest coat I own. It's called fashion. Okay, and close. And watch your fingers and squeeze. Is that enough?
Yep.
Open. Eek. Boom. Oops, not enough, not enough. Boom. Oh boy. Did I do okay?
It's good to me.
Yes.
Just
Nailed it.
If it leaks.
If it does, it's not my fault. You coiled it.
Oh, you probably not.
I did it. Am I done?
I think so. We'll get some more fittings tomorrow and you can keep going if you want, but
Woohoo!
otherwise, I think it's pretty good. Pretty good.
Pretty good, pretty good. Cool. Alright. Well then, on that note, you know what? I really think I fit right in here. Wasn't that joke very fitting?
Should have said he did it with a lot of flair.
Oh, dang it. Missed opportunity.